How do income generating assets fit into a comprehensive financial plan?
To me, it's the most important part to a comprehensive financial plan. Again, we live in a world where all of the big banks, I don't want to name names and maybe get in trouble, I don't know, but they're selling IRAs. They're selling CDs. They're selling these things that to me are not the best. So many people lost a lot of money when the market crashed in 2007 in their IRA, because IRAs lose money and they gain money with the stock market. But when you have an asset, even if that business changes, I can sell my asset and recover some stuff. To me, for a comprehensive plan, you've got to have assets in there. It cannot just be an IRA, a 401k, CDs. They do not outlast your need to have a job when it's time to retire. But assets themselves are money, and those assets generate money. So a comprehensive plan has to have assets in there somewhere.
Thank you very much for tuning into our expert interview series. If you're interested in passive income investments, contact Joseph and his team through the information which we have on the screen for you. He'll send you out a brochure and the actual contract for you to review. This has been Justin Kunst, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising.